Want to harvest juicy tomatoes without stakes and without taking up space? All you need is a bucket and a simple upside-down planting trick. The plant supports itself, and the fruit hangs freely downward. No bending, no mess. And when it's time to harvest, everything is right in front of you. Do this now and your tomatoes will ripen faster. A brilliant trick nobody talks about. If you have plants full of large but still green tomatoes, this method will help you enjoy juicy red fruit much sooner. It's a natural technique that requires no chemicals or extra fertilizers, yet gives great results. What's more, it doesn't change the taste of the tomatoes. It actually enhances their natural sweetness. Gardeners have used it for years, but it's rarely mentioned because it takes a bit of courage. The best time to do it is in September, when tomatoes are already big but still green. That's when cutting the roots helps them ripen faster. Do it carefully, right next to the root ball. This way, the plant limits its intake of water and nutrients, so it no longer invests energy in growing leaves and stems. Instead, all the strength is directed into the fruit, which starts turning red much faster. Cutting too early can weaken the plant and harm the harvest, so use this method only at the end of the season. Add a cup to water and pour it on your plants. Your tomatoes will keep producing until the first frost. Late summer is a crucial time for tomatoes. If you give them the right support, they'll reward you with beautiful, juicy fruits. At this stage, it's best to stop using nitrogen-rich fertilizers, which only encourage leafy growth. What the plants need now is something completely different. Into a large bucket with about 2.5 gallons of water, add 1 cup of wood ash. Ash is rich in potassium, phosphorus, calcium, and magnesium. It helps fruits ripen, strengthens the plants, and makes them more resistant. It also improves soil structure, making it easier for the roots to absorb nutrients. Regular use of ash reduces the risk of fungal diseases that often strike tomatoes late in the season. Mix everything well and water your plants. You'll quickly notice that the fruits are larger and the plants stronger. It's a simple, natural way to enjoy your harvest right up until the first frost. Use this natural fertilizer once every 10 days, and you'll see just how long and abundantly your tomatoes can produce. 3 natural ways to ripen tomatoes. Don't buy artificial ripening agents. If you've harvested green tomatoes from your garden, don't worry. They don't have to go to waste. You can let them ripen indoors while keeping that fresh, sun-kissed flavor. Take a whole green tomato vine and place the tomatoes on a sunny windowsill with an apple. Position them stem side down so they're less likely to rot and stay firm. The apple releases ethylene, a natural ripening gas, helping your tomatoes turn beautifully red faster than you'd expect while keeping their full summer aroma. You can also hang the vine on a string in a bright spot, ideally by a window. This way, the tomatoes ripen slowly but evenly, holding on to their rich flavor and fresh-from-the-vine look. Another trick is to use an empty egg carton. Place green tomatoes in the compartments, add a banana peel, and let it work like a mini greenhouse. The peel, like the apple, releases ethylene, while the carton lets air circulate and keeps warmth in, creating perfect ripening conditions. Keep them in a warm spot, and with a little patience, you'll capture the taste of your garden and enjoy homegrown tomatoes even after summer fades. This simple trick can save your crops at the end of summer. Just make a few vertical cuts in the soil right next to the tomato whose roots you want to limit. The roots of this plant can spread far to the sides, drawing water from a large area. This way, the tomato has controlled access to moisture. It's a quick and easy solution that works perfectly on rainy days at the end of the season.